Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to search within Drafts chats on WhatsApp for PC using the latest update. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly locating unfinished messages and picking up right where you left off. Let's dive into it. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. If you don't already have it installed, make sure to download it from the official website and log in using your account. Once the app is open, look at the top of the screen, just above the chat list. Here, you'll find a small filter icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various filtering options. From the list of options, select Drafts. This will instantly display all chats that contain unsent or incomplete messages. It's a simple way to organize and locate your unfinished thoughts without scrolling endlessly through your conversations. Now that you've filtered your chats to show only drafts, click on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in a keyword or phrase related to what you're looking for. For example, if you remember drafting a message about an upcoming meeting, type in meeting to quickly locate that specific draft message. As you type, WhatsApp will display relevant results from your drafts. Simply click on any result to open the corresponding chat and continue editing or sending your message. And that's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you can now efficiently search and manage your drafts on WhatsApp for PC. This feature is perfect for staying organized and ensuring no important message gets left behind. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.